What you're about to see is a waterfall coming down quick over my head. What you're about to see is a rainbow coming soon, zoom, zoom in reds and oranges and yellows too, and blues and greens. I don't know what you mean when you say that there's gray, 'cause I don't see it. I'm really loving this green. Green grass. What you're about to see is a waterfall coming down on over our heads. What you're about to see is a rainbow coming out of the clouds. And here we are, sitting in grass. It's like a day outside of class. It's like recess, and we possess our lives, and we do it in style.